Hey, it's Vandalyn Smith here from Living Benefits Wealth, talking about the life in life insurance. Come on in the room, come on in. Let me know where you're coming in from or watching from. You're catching me on the replay. Let me know where you're watching from. I would just like to know where you're tuning in from. Where in the country are you tuning in from? Give a few minutes to see if anybody's gonna come on live. And I'm gonna try to switch these beads around. My waist beads. Yep, waist beads. My waist beads fell off. And so I decided to just use them as a neck bead. But now they're all messed up with the strings and everything, but whatever. Whatever. Come on in the room. Today, I want to talk about some of the many facets of life insurance. Now, we all know that life insurance, I know that everybody knows that life insurance is used for when someone passes away. That's a given, right? But did you know that life insurance can be used for many other things and things that you don't even consider, like retirement, kids' college funds, business pension, your personal banking system. And so those are some of the ways that life insurance can be used. But I wanted to talk about the more common terms of life insurance. And the first one is term life insurance. So what is term life insurance? Term life insurance is a policy that is usually, well, it's not usually, it is used for a term of 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 years. And some people say that they consider that renting insurance. They're paying a premium, but that insurance is not going to last them their whole life. So after that term is up, the insurance is no longer valid. You have to renew the policy or convert it over to a whole life policy. So you will no longer have coverage after that time frame. So you're probably saying, well, man, why would I want to pay for a short-term life insurance policy? Now, the short-term life insurance policy does have its place. Some people use it for mortgage protection. That's one of the more common uses for it. You have a mortgage and you keep your mortgage for 30 years, 25, 30 years. And so that insurance policy is put into place, to help you in the event that you or your wage earner, whoever passes away. And that insurance policy helps you to either pay off that mortgage or to help to continue to make mortgage payments so that you won't have to uproot from your home in the event something like that were to happen. If you get a term policy with living benefits, if you were to suffer a illness, a critical, chronic, terminal illness, the living benefits will allow you to accelerate a portion of that death benefit. You can get some of that accelerated to you to help pay that mortgage or help pay your bills. Whatever it is, you're not able to work, so that life insurance policy is in place to help you in the event that you were to become ill and not able to work. So that's what a term life insurance policy can be used for. Or sometimes younger people, they're not able to afford a whole life policy at the time. So they want some type of coverage in place, and they go on and put that coverage in place. And they have plans on, securing a different life insurance policy down the road, but they do have something in place in case something were to happen to them, something to protect them or their life, their income, so their family won't be, left out in the cold. So that's the term life insurance policy. And then we have what we call the whole life insurance policy. Whole life, okay, covered for your whole life. Now, the beauty of the whole life policies is that, okay, of course, they do not, as long as you're making the premiums or the payments, they do not they don't end. So you'll have that coverage throughout your whole life. The other good thing about a whole life policy is that they do build up cash value. So they build up cash value, and you have that cash value going along with your death benefit. So you can utilize that cash that is growing in the policy while you're living. So you utilize, or you benefit from having that cash value, and your beneficiaries will benefit from the death benefit once you pass away. So the cash value in a whole life insurance policy can be utilized for, some people have used it for their emergency funds. Something happened in their home. They need to fix their roof, need to, fix the refrigerator. Something unexpected happens. They have turned to their cash value in their life insurance policy, their whole life insurance policy, to make those repairs. Or college funds, they've used that as a savings vehicle to save for their children's college. Some people even use it to supplement their retirement. And so those are, two of the most common life insurance policies. There are other life insurance policies out there, and you may not know which one is right for you. So this is where I come in, or your trusted professional agent comes in. Now, that's the reason why I do not just throw out quotes. I get people in my inbox wanting a quote on life insurance, and I'm not able to do that because I need to meet, and I just need to talk to you and figure out, what are your goals? What are your objectives? What do you want to utilize this for? You may not know what options you have. And so I would like to have a conversation with you so that we can figure out the appropriate plan for you and your family. So just wanted to share that a little bit, and let you know that if you wanted to know more information and, start learning more about life insurance, you want to have coverage on your family, or, you need to get coverage on yourself for whatever reason that you feel convicted to place a life insurance policy on yourself and or your family, click the link below or send me a message. I'm going to send you out my frequently asked questions as it relates to life insurance. Frequently asked questions, it's a free PDF and a free guide and audio that, goes a little bit in depth about some of the frequently asked questions as it relates to life insurance. I'll send that over to you. Just let me know that you want it, and I'll give it to you. And make sure that you're following this page, because I'm going to continue to educate about the life and life insurance. Follow me here. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, and we'll be starting YouTube soon. Don't have anything over there yet, but you can go on, and my page is there, but there's not many videos there yet. But you can go on and like the page if you or like the page. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you. Subscribe to the channel. I'm there as well. But if you want to, know more information about the life and life insurance, just make sure you're following me. And if you want the guide, the frequently asked questions as it relates to life insurance, click the link below, and I'll send it right out to you. This is Van.